In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Device Connection. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!